This is the Hayward pool pump, and I'm about to show you how it's gonna turn this green pool back to blue. Check this out. This is the pool cleaner you have been looking everywhere for. So we have not been to this house in a couple of days, and this pool is clearly very green. Nobody's gonna wanna get in it. It's pretty freaking disgusting. I'm Morgan. This is a totally honest and unbiased product review video. So I hope that you find it helpful. So we just put it in here and I'm about to turn it on. I wanted to give you a legit before. Now I want y'all to check out the after. Would you just look at that? No more green pool, thank goodness, because that was absolutely disgusting. So we have this cleaner in, and y'all, it is phenomenal. So basically how it works is once you put it in, it's kind of plug and play. It's down there cleaning, and you can see that green pool is now blue. We're in Florida. It's not supposed to be green. It's supposed to be blue. I am so pleasantly surprised and pleased with how it ended up. It looks so awesome. I am absolutely obsessed. If you're even thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it. You can just take, you can see, let me show you where the cord goes. So we just have it all the way over here. We plug it up there and it reaches the entire length of the pool just fine. If you are even thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it. And if you see this video, I hope that something really good happens to you today, because you deserve it. Have an amazing rest of your day.
Dealing with second-rate cable internet shouldn't be one. But I did switch to AT&T Internet for Business with integrated broadband and wireless connections. Let's have this. AT&T Internet for Business is designed for business. With an integrated network that gives you 99.9% reliability, so you can focus on your business. Update the website. And figure out whatever that was. And even if the power suddenly goes out, or if a construction worker accidentally cuts your cable line, AT&T Internet Backup automatically has you covered, so your business stays one step ahead. All right, it's go time. Choose fast, highly reliable AT&T.